FlowMatriX. Order flow tools. NinjaTrader 8.
And we're good to go. All right, this is Max from FlowMatriX. Let me show you how to get your hands on the FlowMatriX Dome Pro. The first thing you want to do is go to our website. So that's FlowMatrix-NT8.com. Once you're there, all you have to do is go to Downloads and then Download Wizard. You might have to accept it with your browser. Now, once you're there, just click on it, and then you'll have to cool it with your computer security. We don't know your computer doesn't know us, but just give it some time. So you want to click on More Info, swipe to the right, and then Run Anyway. Once you're here, so you can put this aside, and now you can go to Premium, and now start free trial. So let's say John Doe, and your email is johndoe@gmail.com. Shocker. Start trial. Once you've done that, your free trial is now active for 10 days. Congratulations. And now just go to install. That's pretty much it. You can get rid of that. Now go to your NinjaTrader 8. And once you have entered your password, you will see that something has been added to your control panel. Make sure that you have a good connection. And now what you'll see in new is that you now have the FlowMatriX Dome Pro. Pretty cool, right? You can open that. Just put it here, and now select an instrument. I'll just go for the ES. And now you'll see it at work. Beautiful, right? In the next video, I'll be showing you how to use it and make the best out of your 10-day free trial. All right? I'll see you around. Bye-bye.